I'm sorry, I just finished my meal. Alright, so the reason for this video is that I searched the internet far and wide for something like this. Since I couldn't find anything, I thought, let's make a video of my own. Anyways, my name is Zack. I'm trying to build a Jurassic Park Jeep replica, and I don't have the time, and I don't have the energy, and I don't have the money for making a good paint job on my 92 Wrangler YJ Sahara. So here we are today, the day before paint day, prepping up the last things, and we're in my garage, and I have a few shortcomings. One being that the garage is too small, it is poorly lit, I don't have proper ventilation, and the overall shape of the body is decent, I guess, for a car this age, but it could be a lot better. And you'll also have to excuse my English, since I'm not a native English speaking person. I'm based in Sweden, and for those of you who don't know where that is, it's in Northern Europe. I have tried to watch everything on YouTube as far as tutorials go. Tried to look at mistakes that other people have made, but I can only do so much. I'm just gonna have to try and figure it out on my own, I guess. Learning by failure. So yeah, that's where we are at. Jurassic Park Jeep, Plasti dip job. I am doing a full coverage of sand beige, which pretty much is the color of my hat. But I got some Performix regular Plasti dip. This is pre-mixed. And something that just crossed my mind is that you can mask off a car for eternity, and somewhere you just have to say, that's it, and you just have to roll with it. Because, I don't know, I've been here a few hours, I was here a few hours yesterday, and it just never seemed to end. At least on the Wrangler, there's so many nooks and crannies where you can mask off. And I mean, Plasti dip being a temporary solution, how much effort should you put into a project like this? I think I settled for somewhere in between. I mean, it's not completely 100%, but it's not, half-assed. So I don't know. I think it says more about me than it does about anything else. All right. So starting with the grill, I removed the blinkers or the turn signals. I removed the bezels around the headlights and masked them off, and then I put the bezels back on. I added some cardboard and newspapers behind the grill. Used like tape and drape equivalent for the tires and the front bumper. And I also masked off the entire windshield, because that's going to be red, and I figured, why waste Plasti dip? Continuing around, I'm sorry for the garage being such a small space. I have done the mirrors with tape and drape, and then I finished off with some blue painter's tape. The blue painter's tape in this case marks spots where I have to peel when wet. That includes the rear view mirrors, the door handles, the keyhole, I guess, some trim around the windshield, or the windows, Continuing back around, I have, as you can see, I don't have any soft top or roof on the car at the moment, so it's just like tape and drape and a tarp. Masked off everything here, from braking lights to the filter cap, door handle for the trunk. Put some tape in all the holes for the spare tire carrier, and yeah, that's about it. As you can see, I had plenty of rust spots, like bubbly paint. This is where the CB antenna goes. I just put some tape behind that. But it's all nice and clean now. Some of the tape just don't want to stick to the car. Again, sorry for the lack of proper equipment. Yeah, that's it. Tomorrow's paint day. I'm gonna do some pre-dip now, and then I'm gonna head home. See you tomorrow.